Hello, my name is Oluwatunseyi. You're welcome to my delightful lemonade adventure. Prepare to embark on a journey of refreshing flavors and zesty citrus goodness that will tantalize your taste buds. In this mouth-watering video, I'll unveil how to create a perfect glass of homemade lemonade. So get ready to discover the art of transforming simple ingredients into a symphony of refreshment. Join me as I peel, squeeze, and stir our way to lemonade perfection. And get ready to quench your thirst and elevate your lemonade game like never before. So sit back, relax, and let the refreshing journey begin. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a young and vibrant girl named Rosie. She had a zest for life and always saw the world through rose-colored glasses. But one day, something unexpected happened that tested her positive outlook. One fateful morning, Rosie woke up to find a giant crate of lemons sitting on her doorstep. Focused and bewildered, she wondered what she would do with so many lemons. She could have easily let this unexpected surprise ruin her day, but Rosie decided to take a different approach. Rosie with determination said, "Well, if life has handed me lemons, then I'll make lemonade." And so Rosie embarked on a lemonade-filled adventure, determined to turn this sour situation into something sweet. She researched different lemonade recipes, experimenting with unique flavors and combinations. Rosie's creativity knew no bounds, and soon she had a collection of refreshing and delightful lemonade concoctions. But Rosie's story didn't end with simply making lemonade. She decided to share her lemonade with the people in her town, spreading joy and refreshment everywhere she went. Word quickly spread about Rosie's delicious lemonade, and soon people from far and wide flocked to her lemonade stand. As they sipped on her lemonade, they couldn't help but feel the optimism and happiness that radiated from Rosie. A customer took a sip, smiled, and said, "This lemonade is amazing. It's not just refreshing, it's like a burst of sunshine in my mouth." Rosie's lemonade became more than just a tasty beverage. It became a symbol of resilience and the power to turn any challenge into an opportunity. Inspired by Rosie's unwavering spirit, the townspeople started sharing their own stories of turning lemons into lemonade. They realized that life is full of ups and downs, but it's how we respond to those challenges that truly defines us. The townspeople kept on sharing their stories. Some people spoke of overcoming personal setbacks, while others shared tales of transforming difficult circumstances into new opportunities. It became clear that everyone had their own unique lemonade recipe to share with the world. Rosie, addressing the crowd, said, "Remember, friends, no matter how sour life may seem, there is always a way to make it sweeter. Embrace the lemons and let your creativity shine." And so Rosie's lemonade stand became a gathering place for hope, inspiration, and community. The town's spirit was forever changed for the power of turning lemons into lemonade. And now, friends, it's your turn. Take a moment to reflect on your own challenges and setbacks. How can you turn those lemons into lemonade? Remember Rosie's story and let it be a reminder that we all have the power to make something beautiful out of life's sour moments. As our refreshing journey of turning lemons into lemonades come to an end, I hope you've learned that life's challenges can be transformed into opportunities. Embrace the sweetness that comes with resilience, positivity, and a sprinkle of creativity. Remember, when life gives you lemons, seize the chance to make the most delicious, thirst-quenching lemonade. So go forth and face the world with a zest for turning every sour moment into a delightful adventure. Cheers to a life filled with sweetness and endless possibilities. Now it's time to put your newfound skills to test. Grab those lemons, summon your creativity and start experimenting with different flavors and variations. Whether it's adding a burst of berries, a hint of mint, or a dash of sparkling water, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more delightful recipes and kitchen tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Stay up to date with my latest uploads so you'll not miss out of any chance to dive into the world of cooking bliss. I would love to hear about your lemonade adventures, so share your own unique twists and flavor combinations in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and build a community of lemonade enthusiasts who embrace the art of turning simple lemons into extraordinary refreshments. Remember, the joy of cooking and creating is best when shared. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also enjoy the refreshing taste of homemade lemonade. Together, let's spread the joy and quench the thirst of lemonade lovers everywhere. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, squeeze the day, make every glass of lemonade a masterpiece. Cheers to delicious moments of a zestful journey in the kitchen. Thank you for joining me on this sweet and inspiring journey. May you always find the courage and creativity to make lemonade from lemons. Until next time, stay refreshed, stay inspired, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye!